Panasonic ear and nose hair trimmer for men with vacuum cleaning system, powerful motor and dual-edge blades for smoother cutting, wet, dry, GN70K, black. Smoother trimming. The most powerful Panasonic nose trimmer yet, the GN70K uses a high-velocity motor to drive blades effortlessly and smoothly through thick, coarse hair with no pulling or tugging. Wet, dry, and multi-use, sleek, slim design can be used to trim nose or ear hair, trim brows or trim away stray facial hair. Use the Panasonic nose and ear trimmer for men wet or dry. Safe, efficient cutting. Innovative dual-edged trimmer blades cut hair at the top and sides for efficient trimming of both longer and shorter hairs. Safety cone design keeps skin protected from blades. Advanced micro vacuum system. Powerful vacuum collects cut hair for less mess while trimming. Run underwater to flush out clippings with advanced vortex cleaning system. Nose trimmer body rinses clean. Ergonomic design. Angled profile makes it easier to each inside the nose and comfortable to hold. Cordless, battery-operated design provides up to 40 minutes of use, batteries not included. Top reviews from the United States. Strongest I've used. While it doesn't come with all the fancy attachments some of the others do. This one is strong. This doesn't feel like a toy like most do. This one gets the job done quickly. It's strong enough that it can trim your mustache with no problems.